something, some control packets with which the person's location will be identified. And there are proximity sensors. You can attach proximity sensors. Now if there are any obstacles in nearby area, then a beep something, because the person, if he can see, or the person if he can means hear or listen, then some guidance, some voice that can be there generated, and accordingly the person can be guided. Now two-way guiding is possible. If he is indoor, then technology is different. If he is outdoor, technology is different. But with this sensor IoT and cloud enabled smart application, the smart navigation is feasible. Also it is not only it is applicable for blind people. Say for example, you are newly admitted to a university which is huge, which has huge campus, n number of buildings are there. Now whenever you are entering and you want to you are a registered entity in that system, and you want to go to a particular department. Now you will give your destination, and the smart navigation will start, and that will navigate you through to the particular destination. So this kind of services, if we can get the affordable and accuracy enhanced technology can be there, then our life becomes more quality enhanced, and life becomes more easier to live. Now whatever things I have discussed so far, I will just show you few slides, that what are the enabling technologies are there at the background which are helping us to live the quality life in terms of a smart living concept. So these slides are visible. Hello?
No, madam, it's not visible.
Not visible?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. One second. I have to make the video on. That's not the issue. Is it now visible?
No, it's dark. Can't see anything.
Dark.
Yes, ma'am, the screen is dark. We can't
Now?
see anything. No, ma'am, not
Now?
now. No, ma'am.
Okay. Audible, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's audible, but again, it's breaking because you have opened the camera.
Okay, one minute. Mm, is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
I don't know what is. Maybe network. I don't know. Network is the issue or not.
Yes, ma'am, I think the network.
Okay, I will try to share it once again. Okay. The present now option is disabled for me. Why? Okay, I am. It is enabled now. Once again, I'm trying. Is it visible now? Okay, so that is the problem of technology, and also the real-time service. Sometimes, not all the times, but sometimes. Okay, I'm just relogging again. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, students, if you have any query in between, you can start asking. Meanwhile, I'm trying to sharing my screen. Now it came. Okay. Okay, so if I don't know thing feed or not. See this video.
And the video isn't playing.
Yes?
Okay, yeah. It's now visible.
Okay.
But the video is freezing, I think.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible, but the video is freezing. It's not moving.
Video,
Mhm.
it has stopped.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I can see at my end. I don't know. There is a problem of streaming, I think. Data streaming problem.
Yes, ma'am. Because of the network.
Now it is now stop. No. Is it running?
No, ma'am. It's still paused.
Okay. 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 I'm not playing it because I will share the link because it is in the slide only. Just play. It is an example. It is a smart home developed by Intel. Several facilities a person can get once he or she enters the house. Start from the face recognition. Then once he or she enters, then the personal assistant can suggest whatever means kind of food or ingredients are available in the fridge, and what possible recipe or the food can be prepared with that ingredients, or if any ingredients are there and something to be ordered, then analyzing the preferred choices. The order can be placed to the multiplex, and the delivery will be at your doorstep. So anything and everything is possible nowadays with the smart enabling technologies. So I'm just showing the slides, and then I will conclude my session. So I think slides are visible. Sadeep, slides
No,
are
ma'am.
visible.
No, ma'am. Actually, the
Oh,
screen is pausing. The screen is not moving.
if the technology is not supporting, then obviously
Ma'am, now it's visible. We can see the
it is not
first screen.
okay. It is not easy to continue smoothly in the distance mode. I can just interact with the students and I can share the slides if it is not visible. So I'm just trying to show. It just you tell me if it is visible or not. Can you see the slide change?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now you can see.
Okay. So I have already defined smart living. I'm not going into it. This is the link of that video. If you're interested, you can see it's very interesting. And already I was explaining with you like monitoring, daily activity monitoring, then the disease management or disease prediction or disease rehabilitation, part of smart healthcare. Then in this specifically the pandemic strike and scenario, if someone is feeling, if someone is not socializing and he or she is becoming remaining isolated, maybe that can be a symptom of depression, which can be identified with the analyzing the social engagement, and hence the prevention of social isolation can be ensured. Specifically the transportation and mobility, that smart management is very much required. So these are several things which are part of smart living, and these are the smart applications in any smart city, because you are aware of the smart city projects that are going on worldwide. In India also there are some projects in some metro cities, but not to that much high extent in compared to the other countries like Japan, China, United Kingdom, USA, etc. And so these are the smart applications like smart energy, smart living, and in the smart living you can see if it is a smart city, then some facilities are there which are technology enabled. And here the smart services in terms of intelligent governance, intelligent healthcare, intelligent transportation, and smart environment like environmental monitoring, if there are any harmful gas presence or not, air quality measurement, the dust particles in the air, the humidity, the weather monitoring. These are part of the weather and environmental monitoring, and the smart industry that are not very much within our reach, but all these can facilitate the smart living. Now, this is the smart meter or smart energy. Here, the several consumers are there basically of the energy, and the smart management of that is part of this. Then the smart environment, like sensors are deployed at various positions of the building or the nearby things. You can see over here that here in the light post there are sensors building. The sensors are attached, Bluetooth enabled and Wi-Fi enabled, and they can detect the any waste gas, greenhouse gas, and voice pollution monitoring also can be done if it is a roadside infrastructure. So accordingly, the alert can be generated, and accordingly, the monitoring and actuation process can take place. Then the smart waste management, students are doing their projects in Jadavpur University Computer Science and Engineering Department. The BTech students, I was there as an external examiner for their project evaluation. Now they were demonstrating that the waste bins, often you can see that in our locality, the manual labor who are supposed to clean the waste bins at regular intervals are not doing the task. Maybe there are several reasons, and that waste bins are just creating the pollution in that area. Now, if the sensors can measure the threshold, if a threshold value can be set, and the sensors can measure the waste volume, and accordingly, whenever it is reaching to the threshold, then the alert will go to the monitoring authority, and the authority will come for automatic evacuation or the cleaning of that particular garbage bins or areas, so that can be more manageable. And the smart structure building health, like for the old buildings specifically, if there are any cracks, rust, etc., that can be measured, and accordingly the prevention can be taken. And smart traffic control, it is specifically the smart, if the vehicles are smart and they can communicate with each other, so in that way the traffic can be monitored, the congestion can be avoided, or the vehicles can be rerouted to avoid the congestion. Also, the smart parking facility can be provided, where the number of parked vehicles can be, the account can be taken, and accordingly, if there are new entries there, then from the priorly the notice can be given that the parking area is full or not, can be used now. Any kind of message can be exerted. And also the road light, the lighting can be the smart and smart sensing sensors based, where depending on the light sensors, the lights will be on or off. Or in the highways where the vehicles are less in numbers, and so only whenever vehicles there is a significant amount of time whenever no mobility is identified, then the lights can be dimmed off. So in this way, several kind of smart sensing, and accordingly the applications can be developed and designed. So this is one example of smart agriculture, where several different kind of sensors are deployed, and the sensors are sending data through the Wi-Fi to the cloud, and from cloud the data can be analyzed in the seen and analyzed edge devices, and accordingly the monitoring the process will can continue from the remote end. So the smart navigation I have already discussed. So this is the smart healthcare. Nowadays, the research is going on. You see, there is one component in smart healthcare. In the case of COVID-19, when the healthcare professionals can get affected if they are in near proximity of the COVID affected people or the person. So the robot can be deployed for the monitoring purposes, like the health vitals measurement purposes, and the medication purposes at the hospitals or at the isolation centers. Also at the smart home system also, the robots can be deployed for that monitoring and medicine giving purposes, so that the community spread can be prevented to extent. And this is the structure where the sensors are attached to anything in this world, any object in this world. Can be vehicle, can be gadgets, can be printer, can be scanner, can be camera sensor. It can be anything and everything. Can be on clothes, at the smart shopping malls. Through the RFID tags, the things are monitored over there, and the data are sent to the edge devices like smartphone and laptop and the cloud services. Then there are big data analytics and several data analytics platforms are there, and from there the actual information extracted are shared with the particular individual or the organization who are authenticated to get that. So in this way the cycle goes on, the smart applications. Like I was giving an example of fall detection. You see, this is the acceleration of the accelerometer that is being measured, and whenever the fall event occurs, then there is an abnormal change or fluctuation in the accelerometer data. So the sensors used over here are accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass. Here is environmental hub, where the augmented application is the lighting path, and the sensors used here are humidity, pressure, temperature, proximity, and light sensors. So this way, with the combination of required sensors, you can design and develop several smart applications. These are the enabling technology trend 2018, the Gartner technology trend 2018, which is very much popular standard for defining the enabling technologies at current time. And if you go through this graph, you will see IoT, that is the Internet of Things, the deep learning for the analysis of the big data, the cloud, the AI, artificial intelligence support required, all are there as the enabling technologies and their status. I'm not going into the it. Now, what is Internet of Things? Internet of Things is Internet of anything and everything in this world. And the thing can be anything ranging over a smartphone, a laptop, or a refrigerator, a vehicle, a washing machine, a television. You have heard about the smart TV, anything and everything. So a smart thing will be enabled for sensing and communicating the data. So basically, it is embedded with a tiny, you can say, a tiny device which have the sensing technology and the transceiver, that is the transmitter and the receiver. Here, the sensors are dominantly doing the communication, not the computation or the processing like the computer. So here they are doing specialized tasks, and computers can be assigned with n number of variety of tasks. So the difference between the thing in the internet and node, that is the computer or the computing device in the computer network, is that the devices in the computer network are computationally intensive, and in Internet of Things, the things are communicationally intensive. So this is the three-layer architecture that I have already discussed with you. This is the sensing layer, this is the communication layer, and this is the processing layer, which is the cloud. So data are getting sensed over here through the heterogeneous sensors, and then the data is getting transmitted through the various underlying network. That can be cellular network, that can be wireless ad hoc network, that can be sensor network, that can be wireless local area network, D2D connection, anything and everything. And through that, the data is reaching to the cloud server where the data is stored, data is processed, analyzed, and here the big data analytics, the machine learning models, the deep learning models, these are the complex intelligent algorithms which are applied over here for analyzing the data. How big can be data? I'm giving an example over here. How big can be data? This is an example. Like why cloud server is required. Now, here is an example that 1,68,000 new data points per week on hourly communication of single pulse sensor owned by 10,000 people through LP WAN, that is the low power WAN to cloud. So you can see the pulse here, the sensor is only one, okay? And it is the per week data. So how many data? 1,60,000. Now I'm giving here you the picture. A person can wear, these are the basic sensors. I was just discussing about COVID-19 monitoring. So these are the basic sensors. There are more number of sensors that can be attached to a human body, right? So in this way, the sensing, monitoring, and analysis goes on, and these are the supporting smart connectivity or the technology support through which the smart living is possible. That is the Internet of Things, sensors, and cloud. So these are the references. I have tried to give all the references. Maybe if and I have taken the images from the Google image, and this is the video that I was trying to play. And these are the references from which the contents are taken. And in our if university opens, we have Internet of Things and Security Laboratory, which is West Bengal Science and Technology funded project is over there on smart healthcare. And if you come and you can see that the setups are there by which the sensors are there, sensors can send data and that can be analyzed, and the normal or abnormal conditions can be identified of a particular person. So hope the pandemic situation gets over, then you can come to the laboratory and you can see the demonstration, actual demonstration. So here I conclude my session. This is my official email ID. If you have any query, you can send over here. And if you have any question. So I first stop sharing. Yes. Now any question, students?
Students, if you have any questions, please come forward and ask. You can unmute your mic and ask.
I'm not switching on my video because the network is not that much stable.
Students, please, if you have any questions, please unmute your mic and ask. Ma'am, Navid Hossain has asked that, is this the last induction week? Yes, it
You
is the last.
answer.
Yes, this is the last induction week. We will
Not
conclude it.
last day, because tomorrow
Yeah, yeah.
we will hear
Tomorrow is
from
Monday. Yeah, we will
the
conclude it tomorrow.
yeah Dr. Day, and he has some announcement regarding that. But before that, if any question, I will answer. Otherwise, I will stop, and then Dr. Day will discuss with you.
Ma'am, I don't think there is any question, ma'am. So, sir can say.
Yes, surely. So, as these are very much advanced technologies, but I have tried to give you give you in most generalized way. So you gradually will be familiar with the things in your course in UG and PG courses. So and then obviously you will understand yourself, like how to do development, how to do implementation, etc., etc. So thank you and good evening. Now over to Sadi.
Okay. Sir,
Yeah.
sir, please give your announcement that you have first. Then I'll continue.
Yes. Good evening to all the students.
Good
Can you hear
evening,
me?
sir.
Okay. So I think, have you received a link towards your WhatsApp chat in your group of induction program?
Sir, can you say that again? Could not understand.
In your WhatsApp message, I send a link for tomorrow's meeting. There is a meeting. There is a link I sent.
Sir, I think in that group the students are not there. That's why they didn't receive. So will I post the link over here?
Yeah, you post the link over here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Understood.
See, your Sadip sir is posting a link. It is all about internet technology. As you know, can you survive a day without internet? Anyone? Shara Burman. Shara Rahman. Shara Rahman, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So can you survive? Can we survive nowadays without internet?
No, sir.
So tomorrow there will be event on the internet technology, and the person, those who develop the internet society of the world, there is a meeting tomorrow. Okay. So I have given a registration link. So please register to the link and inform me. Okay. So I'll be also part of the event. So I want to show you what are the things, what are the activities actually happening in internet technology. Okay. So tomorrow event will start at 5:15. So you register for the link first, what Sadip sir has shared. Sadip, you have shared, no?
Yes, sir. I've shared in the chat box.
So please open the link and register yourself at free of cost with your name, email ID, phone number, and all the things. Okay.
So when is the
Sadiq,
deadline?
link is opening now. Link is opening now.
Yes, the link is opening. When is the deadline for registration, sir?
I think as soon as possible. If you make a late, you're limited seat. Because it is a all India event, all over world event, not only India. So if the seats are filled up, there is no space.
Okay.
Registration is free.
Okay.
You instruct them to fill up. You open the link and instruct them. Okay.
Okay.
You open the link and tell them to fill up the names and all these things.
So will I present? Sir, will I present?
Yes, yes. Please present. Please present.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
So, Dr. Day, one thing, I think it's clear to them, right? This is the session for tomorrow, right?
Yes, yes. This is the
Related
session
to
for
induction
tomorrow.
program. Is it that? Please,
Yes, yes.
I think.
It is a
clear
part
to
of the
them or not?
induction program. It will be the part of the induction program.
So your that session will be the last session, whatever sir is announcing to you
Yes.
for this induction program.
Yes,
So
yes.
whosoever is maintaining the attendance and all that, please communicate with sir for keeping the record for tomorrow. Okay, the way we have done till today. Till tomorrow, you need to maintain everything for preparing the comprehensive report and everything. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And
okay.
first session will start from 4:50. So student have to come around 4:45.
So this is the registered link, right?
Yes, I'll give introduction. After that, that's you can join the event. Yes.
Sir, can I ask something?
Yes, yes.
Sir, like you said, there are limited number of seats. So per registration gets a seat, or like we have in webinar that we all registered, but after a particular number of seats get filled, they totally cancel it.
No, no. You fill up the form. You will be allowed. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You know that what Suparna madam, your HOD madam has discussed today, the smart living, smart things, smart internet technology. So this discussion will be on how to get proper internet connection. You know, internet connection is very important. So, you know, see, all the talks will be on internet connectivity. See, it's called quantum internet. You know, everything will be there. So it is very interesting and important lecture. So please join the event and register yourself.
Sir, this will start from 5:15 and go until
9:30. This will go until 9:30.
Okay, so the students will not have to come to Google Meet. They can register here and attend this program, right?
Yes. What will happen that first they will come to my WhatsApp link to my normal program at around 4:50 or 4:45, whatever. I'll be there. I'll give an introduction. What will be the things? Then they can directly go to the link and they can join. If they register, they will get a link.
Yes, definitely. So they will come to the Google Meet first, then they will go to this link.
Yes, you're correct.
Okay, sir. At 4:50, they will join at Google Meet, right?
Yes. Whatever the links you are providing to them, they will join at. They will be staying with me up to 5:15. That means 25 minutes or half an hour. Okay. After that, they can join that event, and that event will continue up to 9:30.
Okay, sure.
You'll be interested to know. You'll be getting a very interesting lectures on internet. Only one technology, internet.
So student, you must register over here fast, because if the seats get filled up, you can't hear this. It is interesting talk that will happen tomorrow. So make sure to register over here by tonight. Okay, sir. Sir, I'm stopping the sharing.
No, you just show the demonstration. Otherwise, they cannot do it.
Oh, okay, sure.
You just show a demo.
Okay, sure.
You just show them whether they came to this link. You
Okay.
just follow step by step.
Yes. So I just enter the register button, and
Yes.
we can put our.
Sadip, just sorry for interruption. May I leave?
Oh, ma'am.
Yes.
Let me conclude the today's session. Then you can leave. Okay, ma'am. I'll conclude to the session right now. Then I'll
Okay.
present. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, just a minute.
Yeah, Sadiq, conclude. Yeah. Then
Yes.
you will start the registration. Yes.
Okay, yeah. So I'll move on to conclude today's session. Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful session. We learned a lot about smart living technologies such as real-time patient monitoring and treatment, which is an essential technology on demand today. I am sure that the students will love to hear more lectures like this from you again during their tenure at the university. Students, please keep up the feedback form. It will be active till 7:30. Tomorrow we will get to hear from none other than the Director of School of Computation Science, MAKAUT, West Bengal, Professor Devatis Day. Students, we hope you desire to present as you will get to learn about a very knowledgeable topic like that of today, that is the evolution of computer hardware. And thank you everyone for coming, and we wish you good night for today. Everyone can log off now. I will just show you the thing that you can log off. And please copy the
Sadip, thank you very much, and thank you. I'm leaving now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, sir, I'm registering. Then
Yeah,
after
please.
the register button, just enter your email ID abcd@ something like this, gmail.com.
Visible? Whatever you think is visible?
Yeah, is the screen visible?
But that part is not visible. Email ID, that part.
Oh, I think Google has like blurred that section.
Is it?
I think that means the entire page is visible, but only the email is not visible, right?
Yes, correct.
I think Google has blurred that for security reasons. Okay, so let me just, you can type your name or something, phone number. Question, searcher, give MAKAUT, and you can submit. See, you after clicking submit, they are allowing. They said that thanks for registering. We will get back to you with the session links before the event. So everyone can register, and then they'll receive the link. So this is very quick and easy to register. So please register fast.
And after registering, they inform in the chat. They have done.
Yeah, they're informing. They're showing the message, and they will send a mail also for the session links and all. So is it clear, students? Anyone please respond? Is it clear?
One has done.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
We're
Okay.
done, sir.
Okay. So register there. Okay, thank you. Okay, sir, I'm stopping the presentation then.
Any question? Anyone has problem? Anyone has question? Query?
Yeah, any query?
No, sir.
Fine. So, Sarah, have you registered?
Yes, sir.
So obviously, if you register, they will send a link to you to your email ID. And tomorrow at around 4:50, I will be there in your Gmail link only for half an hour. After that, you can join this event, which will be up to 9:30. So you'll be getting very interesting topics on discussion by the people who develop the internet. It is not a conference. It is a developer. They are coming, those who develop the internet. The internet society of the world is coming. Okay. So
Yes, sir, very interesting.
you'll be knowing that what is actually internet is. Sadip, it will be a very interesting session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully.
Okay. So students, is it clear that tomorrow your session will start at 4:50? So you will get the link, and please log into your Google Meet window by 4:15. So we'll give a speech before starting of that event, and then you can join to the link that is being shared by them. Okay, and you have to fill your attendance at 4:50 only. So we'll share the attendance link over here at Google Meet. Okay. So is it clear? Anyone respond? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, sure. Okay, done.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, do you have anything to say?
Just one point I want to share. Tomorrow there'll be another very important event. Although it is the time collides, that's why I'm not telling everyone. There is I'm asking a question to all of you. Who is the father of IT industry in India? Anyone know the answer? You're all studying computer science IT, right? Just one question before we end. What is the first company, IT company in India? Anyone know?
Sir, Infosys.
No, Infosys is a new company. Any other guess?
TCS.
Yes, correct. TCS. And you'll be happy to know I have worked with the person who actually developed this TCS, and he was part of our Computer Society of India. And he just expired. He was 94 years old. He just expired few days before this month of December. Okay. So his name is Professor FC Kohli. Okay. He's called father of Indian IT industry. And he is first started this TCS.
Sakarchand Kohli.
Yes. FC Kohli. And tomorrow there is another event at 6:30 of FC Kohli, how he has developed Indian IT industry. So as a part of Computer Society of India, our university student chapter is also part of this Computer Society of India. So I'll also share the link tomorrow. Those who are interested, they can also listen to the lecture by the TCS people. How these things are actually happening. What is his contribution of FC Kohli? Okay. Actually, he is called the father of IT industry. Unfortunately, he is expired this year. He was 94 years old. And he has a lot of contribution. I was fortunate enough to work with him in various meetings, especially in Computer Society of India. I hope I'll share that tomorrow's link at around 4:50. So that time we'll discuss about it. Okay. So that's it from my side. I hope everyone has registered. You just unmute and say you have done. Then you'll be allowed to join tomorrow's event. Yes.
Yes, done, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir. No, sir.
Thank you. So we hope that we will enjoy tomorrow's event, and it will be on internet technology. And also some part I will cover about recent hardware. So I'll discuss in detail tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Sadeep.
Yes, sir. Thank you very
Yes.
much, sir. So students, please give your feedback for today.